Thinking about upgrading your workshop with a sliding compound miter saw but not sure which one's worth your money? Stick around, we've lined up the best and worst options so you can make the right pick the first time. Starting off our list at the bottom, we've got the Seaside cordless miter saw. This compact 8-inch unit is the most portable of the bunch, but also the most limited in terms of power and cutting capacity. It's great if you're in tight spaces or working on smaller DIY projects, but it falls behind in the professional grade category. The cordless design gives you solid flexibility, no cords to worry about, plus it comes with two hefty 5 Ah batteries. A built-in laser guide helps with cutting accuracy, and the sliding arm does add to its overall versatility. On paper, it sounds like a great portable tool for quick jobs on the go. But here's the catch, the 8-inch blade limits the depth of cut significantly compared to 10 and 12-inch saws. It's also single bevel only, which means if you're doing complex compound cuts, you'll need to flip your workpiece manually. That's a pain if you're working at scale. And since it's battery powered, it won't deliver the sustained torque you'd get from a corded 15 amp model. If you're a beginner or weekend warrior needing a portable saw for quick cuts in wood, this might fit the bill. Otherwise, there are stronger contenders coming up. And hey, if you're already eyeing any of these saws, we've linked them at the best prices down in the description. Go check it out after the video. Next up, we've got the Evolution MultiMaterial saw. It ranks just above the Seaside, and while it's small, it does one thing better. It cuts more than just wood. That's right, this little guy is designed to slice through wood, plastic, even metal, all with the same blade. It features a wide miter range and a handy laser guide, and it's incredibly lightweight. This makes it perfect for small shops, garages, or tight workspaces. It's also an easy grab-and-go tool if you're moving between job sites. If you're someone who switches materials frequently, this multi-material blade can really save time and hassle. On the flip side, the motor is only 10 amps, so it can struggle with thicker or denser material. And the small 7/4 inch blade doesn't allow for deep cuts. Plus, you only get a left side bevel, again, not ideal for precision angle work on the fly. This one's for homeowners and light-duty users who need flexibility but don't need big power. If this breakdown is helping you out, give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and we've got more tool reviews just like this one coming your way. Moving into the mid-tier, the DWT lands right in the center. It's got a 10-inch blade, plenty of cutting power thanks to the 15 amp motor, and it even lets you toggle between two speed settings. That's a rare feature at this price point and a bonus if you're switching between wood and softer metals. It also comes with 3 blades right out of the box, a multifunction blade plus 2 40-tooth blades, so you've got variety without any extra spending. You'll also find a laser guide and extension tables to support longer pieces, making it capable for weekend furniture builds or home renovations. However, it's not all smooth sailing. The build quality is a bit inconsistent according to some users. Also, the depth of cut isn't well documented, which makes it hard to trust for anything beyond standard 2x lumber. And while it ticks the right boxes on paper, it doesn't always feel as polished as the bigger name brands. It's best suited for someone who wants performance at a lower price and doesn't mind a few rough edges. If you're upgrading from a basic saw, this one could surprise you. At number 2, we've got a rock-solid performer from a trusted name, Metabo. The C10FCGS has been a staple for woodworkers looking for a reliable and affordable compound miter saw. It's lightweight, accurate, and surprisingly powerful with a 15 amp motor pushing out up to 5,000 RPM. This one isn't a slider, but it makes up for it with precision. You've got a wide miter range and reliable bevel stops, plus a lightweight frame that's super easy to carry around the shop or job site. It's perfect for anyone who cuts a lot of trim or molding and wants something consistent without breaking the bank. Downsides, it's still single bevel, and you don't get any laser or LED guide. The dust collection isn't great either, so expect to vacuum a bit more. But for the price and performance, those are fair trade-offs. If you're a contractor or serious DIYer who needs a dependable saw for everyday cuts, this is an excellent middle ground choice. You get quality, power, and accuracy all from a brand that pros actually trust. And finally, taking the top spot in today's lineup is the powerhouse from DeWalt. If you've spent any time around serious woodworking or construction crews, you've probably seen the saw in action. It's the biggest, baddest, and most capable machine on our list. With a 12-inch blade, dual bevel design, and extended miter saw and sliding range, this thing can handle just about any job you throw at it. It'll rip through 2x16s like butter and easily handle thick trim, crown molding, and larger stock. The tall fences and high build quality really give it that professional edge. It's not without flaws though. At around 56 pounds, it's heavy. You'll want a dedicated stand or bench for this beast. And while it delivers excellent performance, there's no built-in laser or LED light, which would have made life even easier. Also worth noting, earlier versions had a rear guard issue, but that's been addressed in newer units. If you want the best all-around sliding compound miter saw without jumping into commercial pricing, this is your guy. Whether you're a pro builder or just want the best tool in your garage, this one's built to last. Want to grab any of these saws for yourself? All the top models from today's review are linked down below. Go check out the best deals. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more hands-on reviews and tool tips every week.